From farm irrigation and ranch water pumps, to outdoor events, emergency backup power, and construction sites, reliable electricity is essential. But conventional generators come with high fuel costs, loud noise, harmful emissions, and frequent maintenance needs. Standard CNI solutions are costly, difficult to transport, and require professional handling, while portable power solutions offer low power and capacity, lack smart control, and can't handle overloads. There's a better way. Meet the ROYPOW Mobile Energy Storage System, a powerful, movable, and eco-friendly alternative. No fuel, no noise, no emissions. Three smart charging options: solar charging, up to 30 kilowatts MPPT input; grid charging, fast and convenient; diesel generator integration, automatically starts/stops generator to save fuel and minimize runtime. Built for tough conditions, this system is reliable and easy to use. High reliable performance, R&D specifically for the use of high-frequency mobile scenarios. Strong adaptability, suitable for working with various conventional generators, inverter work normally under various working conditions of generators, all-in-one designed, higher system compatibility, more efficient and stable communication, remote ready, support remote maintenance and remote OTA upgrade. Scalable, connect up to 6 units for even more power. Smart monitoring, use the ROYPOW app to track battery levels, charging status, and power usage in real time. No complicated maintenance. Just plug in and power up. Wherever you need smarter, cleaner, more profitable power, ROYPOW delivers.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our ROYPOW's new product launch. Behind me, there is the orange equipment that we want to introduce today. I'm Jack. I'm in charge of the R&D Center of ROYPOW. Next, I will give the detailed information about our products. Please wait a moment. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to be here to give a brief introduction about our product, PC15KT Mobile ESS. Our topic is low boundary. Mobile hybrid energy storage improves your productivity. Our content has 4 parts. The first one is company introduction. The second one is why choose our ROYPOW Mobile Hybrid ESS. And third one is production information. And the last one is Q&A part. First, I will give a brief introduction about our company. ROYPOW was established in 2016 and got some honors such as Little Gain Enterprise and the National High-Tech Enterprise. And we can provide the one-stop solution for multiple power system, energy storage system, off-road vehicle battery, residential, commercial, and industry, and mobile ESS. All of the key components of the units are self-developed by ourselves, including PCS, BMS, and EMS. We have nearly about 14 subsidiaries all over the world, and we have offices in North America, German, UK offices in Europe, South Africa offices in Africa, and other places. We have nearly about 750 employees, and among them, 200 R&D people. Our purpose is innovation in energy, especially for reliable energy solution, covering all living and working situations. Our products related of ESS are mainly 3 parts: residential ESS, commercial and industry ESS, and vehicle-mounted mobile ESS. Our products are applied in various scenarios and get customers' recognition, and has been proved by many projects. This page shows our R&D, manufacture, testing, and quality control capability. We have fully automatic lines with 8 GWh per year production capability, and our NERV is authorized by CSA, TUV certification group. The second part is why choose our ROYPOW Mobile Hybrid ESS. Our hybrid ESS can be applied in various sectors such as farm irrigation, construction, outdoor party, emergency power backup, water pumper, and mining. Usually these places have low power grid and need a reliable energy storage solution for power grid. Usually in this application, we use conventional generators to provide power, but the diesel generator has some drawbacks. High cost, such as high cost, you need to pay nearly about $10,080 per year, and may cause loud noise and exhaust pollution, which is harmful to our health. Usually the diesel is not very smart and need frequent maintenance. Our ROYPOW solution provides a cost-effective solution. It has advantages such as support special design for support frequent movement and less maintenance. Because we use the battery to replace the DG, so it saves fuel and cost, and it may not cause low emission, less noise. When we use the standard commercial and industry energy solution, because of its bulky size and heavy weight, so it is not suitable for frequent movement and have poor vibration resistance. Also, you need must pay high initial purchase cost. When you use portable power solution, because of the low power and capacity and poor overload capacity, so it is not suitable for this application. Meanwhile, it is not waterproof. Core values and benefits of our products can be summarized as more productive, smart, quiet, cleaner, more profitable. And the feature of our products can be summarized as self-developed, or we adopt as all-in-one design, so it is more stable and more efficient. Because we use special design for the high frequency mobile schedulers, and our PC15KT can be combined work with DG, so it can work on the various working conditions of generators. We have 4G and Bluetooth inside, so you can use the app or website to monitor the equipment. Also, it supports remote maintenance and remote OTA upgrade. This part will give the detailed information about our products. The size dimension of our equipment reaches 1040 millimeters for longs, 1092 millimeters for width, 1175 millimeters for height. The total weight of the equipment reaches 670 kilograms. You can see in the right side of the page, it is nearly a cubic. This page shows internal view of the equipment. We can see there are many input and output ports in the front panel, and some brake switches, even a 7-inch EMS display in front of the panel. This port supports plug and play, and this equipment supports charging from various charging methods, such as power grid, PV, and DG. The whole system supports IP54 ingress, so you can use it outdoors. In front, when you open the front panel, you can see one inverter, one DC-DC optimizer, and 6 battery packs inside. For whole unit, the power and the capacity reaches 15 kilowatt, and the capacity of the battery reaches 33 kilowatt hour. It supports 6 units pairing together, so the whole power and the capacity can be scalable up to 19 kilowatt and 198 kilowatt hours. Here is the detail of the technical specification. Next page will show each unit, the detailed information. We have powerful inverter and a reliable battery inside. The inverter has stronger overload ability. It supports 120% overload for 10 minutes and 200% overload ability for 10 seconds. We also have two MPPT PV input channel, and the inverter can meet standards such as CB, UN 38.3, CEMC, CLVD. The inverter supports three-phase and single-phase power output. As we adopt high-quality battery cells, so the battery supports 6,000 times of long cycle life and have 5 years of warranty. The battery cabinet built in hot array fire extinguish system, so it is very safe. The inverter and the battery support IP65 rating. Now we want to introduce the special function about power assist function. When you will use a low power DG with a high power load like motor, usually it cannot work. But our hybrid energy storage system can work with the DG, so it can boost the capacity of the generator. So you don't need to buy a high power DG. Also, you can save fuel and the cost. Another function we want to introduce is that it has automatic charging or discharging. When the battery of the ESS system is empty, it may start the DG to charge the battery. When the battery is full, it may shut down the DG automatically through dry contact. The equipment supports maximum 22.5 kilowatts DG input. Here is another function we call hybrid mode. The equipment can work with PV and DG work together, and when the load is light, the DG can provide power to the load. Meanwhile, it can charge the battery. When the load is heavy, the DG and the equipment can work together to provide higher power to the load. Also, this equipment support UPS function, ensure 24 hours, 7 days power support. As we have 4G and Bluetooth modules inside, so you can use website or app to real-time monitor the data of the equipment, even the sales. And you can use the app or website to do the operation about the working mode. The last one is QA part. Question 1. What is PC15KT? It is a mobile hybrid battery energy storage system with a nominal 15 kilowatt AC output. The equipment is usually suitable for mobile application, whereas there is low power grid or the power grid is weak, such as events and construction site, telecommunication, retinal application. Question 2 about the size and the weight. The size of the equipment reaches 1040 millimeters for length, 1092 millimeters for width, and 1157 for height, and the whole weight achieve 670 kilograms. Question 3. What is output voltage and does it support three-phase unbalanced output? Because we adopt the 4 legs topology, so the output support three-phase 4-wire output system, and the whole system support 100% three-phase imbalance. It means that each phase support 5 kilowatts at 230 watts. Question 4. Which charging models does it support? Does it support multi-machine running in parallel? The whole system supports different methods to charge the battery, such as power grid, PV, and DG. Also, it supports 6 units pairing together. Question 5. can it work outdoors? What is IP level? It can work outdoors because of the IP54 increased rating. Also, our equipment support battery heating. When the environment temperature below 0 degrees centigrade, so the equipment can start the heating function automatically to heat the battery. Question 7. Is there an app for remote monitoring? Because we have 4G Bluetooth modules inside, so we can real-time monitor the data. Also, we can remote firmware upgrade. Question 8. Does it support single-phase DG or grid charging? Our equipment supports single-phase DG and power grid charging, but you need to buy an auxiliary devices. We also have another type of mobile hybrid ESS system. The left side is X8KS and the right side is the PC15KT. We have nearly finished the X8KS mobile hybrid energy storage system self-developed. And for single-phase AC output, the PC15KT Mobile Hybrid ESS system for split phase and the third phase will be finished in October. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us at any time. Here is the email box. You can send the email to us. That's our new production launch. That's all. Thank you. Hi, everyone. That's all what we want to introduce our new product. If you have any question, you can send the question on the website. We can quickly answer your questions. Okay, I will answer some questions. What is the maximum input power of the DG? Is there remote start 2-wire system? The maximum input power is 22.5 kilograms for the DG, and if you start the DG, we can use a 2-wire system, use a dry contactor. There's another question. Interesting to know a bit more about the UPS function. Is it online or interactive? It's online. We can use this function means online UPS. We can use this function, so the load will not be lose the power. Can be collected to the power grid or the inverter. Seamless. Another question: when the split phase type were ready? We will first develop the 3-phase 220 watts first, and then we'll do the split phase second. At the end of the year, we will finish the split phase for North America. Is there any upper limit to the charging of the batteries by solar power? The maximum power for the PV input can achieve to 30 kilowatts. The detailed permits, technical permits are listed in our PPT. And the last question: IP65 is rating for the product. How does the cooling system work? Is liquid cool inverter and liquid cool battery? The whole system, the IP rate for the whole system is IP44 rating. So inside the inverter and the batteries support IP65 rating. We use the air force cooling method, not liquid cooling. Okay, that's all about our new product. If you have any question, you can send the email to us. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.